My name is Jack Ireland. I'm the faculty chair of automotive technology here at Johnson County Community College. Our students enter industry as entry-level technicians at dealerships, independent repair facilities, fleet, both private companies and municipalities, warranty administration, parts, and sales. We have 3 options of completion for our students: a maintenance and light repair certificate that's 25 credit hours, a comprehensive certificate in automotive technology at 51 credit hours, or the Associate of Applied Science degree at 63 credit hours. With the evolution of the electric vehicle, changes over the next 10 years will be greater than the last 50 years combined. Opportunities for employment are such, on a nationwide basis, we could hire 60,000 technicians today, which means great opportunity and great job security. Average starting salaries here in the Kansas City metro area are between $15 and $22 an hour. I like automotive technology because there are millions of cars on the road. Every day is different. It requires problem-solving skills, and hey, what is there not to like about cars?